Okay, so I took out my braids. So this is what it looks like after the braids are taken out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it. And what I'm going to use to wash it is baking soda. So Arm & Hammer pure baking soda. And I'm going to use, for every tablespoon, I'm going to use 2 cups of this. You need to be sure not to put too much baking soda, otherwise your hair will be rough and dry. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 4 cups of this warm distilled water. And then I'm going to give it another rinse, and I'm going to rinse with apple cider vinegar. You can get it at any store. I got this at Target. And then just a little bit of the apple cider vinegar into a bucket. And I don't really like the smell so much, so I use some rosemary essential oil, just 1 or 2 drops, and a little bit of honey. The honey gives it a nice little shine to it. So that's what I'm going to rinse it out with. And then, yeah, I'm going to twist it. So you'll see the results. Okay.